Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Read to Me, Miss D. This is Miss D, and today's book, that is Sofia Martinez and the Marigold Mess by Jacqueline Jules, feels just like a big hug. It's full of love and fun and lessons that we can carry with us all day long. I hope you're ready to smile, think, wonder, and of course, imagine, because we're about to open the cover and we're about to dive right in. Remember that if you like this story, to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to Read to Me, Miss D, and make sure to tap that button. You ready? This is a chapter book. It has 3 different chapters: a new chore, trouble, and a muddy mess. Here she is. Chapter 1, a new chore. Sofia dragged the feather duster over the coffee table. It was Sofia's job to dust. Elena swept the floors. Lucia emptied the trash. Every Saturday morning it's the same thing, Sofia moaned. Chores are so boring. I'm tired of dusting, Sofia told Papa. Can I please have a different job today? Why don't you wash the car instead? I'll dust, he said. Fantastico, Sofia said. Papa took Sofia outside and helped her fill a bucket with soap and water. He gave her a big yellow sponge. First, scrub off the dirt, then spray the car with the hose, he said. Perfecto, Sofia said. Spraying will be the best part. Papa pointed at the marigold garden next to the driveway. Be careful around the flowers, he said. I planted those for Mama. Claro, Sofia promised. I will be extra careful. Sofia got busy right away. She dunked the sponge and scrubbed. Dunk and scrub, dunk and scrub. Her cousin Hector ran over to help. Your car looks like it's covered in whipped cream, he said. Yo sé, Sofia said as she giggled. Maybe it's time I sprayed a little. She went up to get the hose while Hector picked up the sponge. When Sofia came back, Hector was leaning down, soaping the front wheel. Ciudado, she grinned as she started spraying the hose at him. As Hector jumped to get out of the way, he bumped the side mirror. Ouch! Sofia dropped the hose. Are you okay? Hector rubbed his arm. I am, but the mirror isn't. Oh no, you broke it, she shouted. Chapter 2, Trouble. Sofia and Hector ran to the house. Lucia and Elena heard all the noise and met them at the door. Oyandanos, Sofia cried. What did you do? Elena asked. Rapido, Sofia pulled on her sister's arms. When they got back to the car, there was even more trouble. A big stream of water was flowing across the driveway right into Mama's flower garden. Oh no, I left the water running, Sofia screamed. Mama's marigolds, Luisa said. Sofia hurried to shut the water off. The yellow flowers looked like they were swimming. Using her hands, Sofia pushed water out of the garden. Lucia, Elena, and Hector tried to help. Oh, I don't know. This doesn't sound very good, does it? After a while, the garden wasn't flooded, but the flowers were still really droopy. We definitely need more dirt, Luisa said. Mama keeps big bags for planting by the side of the house, Sofia said. Vámonos. Or maybe that's vamanos, Elena said. Together, they dragged the heavy bags back to the flower garden and ripped them open. They spread dirt until every marigold stood up straight again. Do you think this was a smart choice for them to do? We're going to find our answer out. That looks a lot better, Sofia said as she wiped her dirty hands on her skirt. But we don't, Hector said. They stared at each other. Their faces, hands, and clothes were all covered in mud. Chapter 3, A Muddy Mess. Just then Papa came outside. ¿Qué pasa? He asked. I dropped the hose and flooded the flowers, Sofia said. Oh, Sofia, he said. We also broke the mirror on the car, Sofia said, near tears. She was honest, though. Her heart thumped as Papa looked at the mirror. Lo siento, Sofia said quietly. Papa simply pushed the folded mirror back into place and smiled. You fixed it, Hector clapped. Papa laughed. The mirror was never broken. It was made to swing in and out. Thank goodness, Sofia said. Will the flowers be okay? Luisa asked. Papa checked. See, you did a good job saving them. Gracias, Sofia held out her arms to hug Papa. He stepped back and grinned. I don't need to get dirty too, he said. Sofia looked at her muddy clothes, then over at Hector, Elena, and Luisa. We are so dirty, Elena said. We definitely need a bath, Luisa said. Or a shower, Sofia said as she turned on the faucet. Elena and Luisa squealed as Sofia pointed the sprayer at them. Move away from the garden, she warned, smiling. Don't forget that the car needs a shower too, Papa said. See, Papa, laughed Sofia. And don't forget to dust. Oh, look at, they're all running. That looks like fun. Here is your glossary. All of the words here that we used and their meanings in English. Then it has 3 questions that you can talk it out. You can do 3 questions, maybe to write something down. And then you have a nice part in the back here about the author and about the illustrator. And the illustrator is someone who draws all the pictures. Oh, this was so fun. I want to thank you for reading along with me today. And we covered some very important issues such as friendship and honesty and trust. And those are nice qualities to have. I really enjoy my time with you reading. If you like the video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So, a little send-off. Books are closed, but hearts still glow. Like, subscribe, and you'll always know when to come back for stories anew. Misty will be waiting for you. Bye-bye from Misty.